Of the Onyx HD 7700. This is the top-of-the-line single-punch solution for all your binding needs. It's solid, heavy-duty, and comes with an industry-leading 3-year warranty. It's all shipped together with one box, and with the Onyx HD 7700, you get the palm switch as well as the foot pedal. Some users prefer the hands-free with the foot pedal, and some would rather use the hand they're holding the paper with. The optional Versa switch can also be purchased and added right here to the top of the machine in place of the paper stop, and it becomes an automatic trigger for the punch machine when papers are put into the throat. One of the greatest features of all Rhin-O-Tuff Onyx punches is the interchangeable die system. Rhin-O-Tuff has created more than 20 interchangeable dies that fit in this machine alone, and they slide in and out just like you see. So whatever bind, punch pattern, or look you're going for your business, this can be one machine that handles all of your needs. Each die is priced separately, and there are dies for plastic comb, wire loop, plastic coil, velobind, and 3-hole loose leaf. It's an impressive looking machine, and the chip tray in the front is transparent so you can see right in to see how things are filling up. The punch capacity is rated up to 55 sheets or 110 pages of 20-pound paper. It can also punch up to 5 plastic mylar sheets, regardless of the hole pattern. And as with all Rhin-O-Tuff Onyx punches, the patented auto-reverse feature is in play. As you work, a new overload detection feature triggers an auto-reversing function to reduce jamming in the punch. Perfect and consistent punching is what you need for your business. With our paper stop system, it dials in exactly what you need according to the size paper you're using and the exact die. And with this dial, you can even fine-tune your settings so you can set it, forget it, and run your whole project without fear. If you want confidence in excellent punching, the Rhin-O-Tuff Onyx HD 7700 is a great